Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite accessories for outdoor fun, the marshmallow roasting sticks by peaceleaf. These extendable barbecue skewers aren't just any skewers. They're designed to elevate your outdoor grilling and campfire experiences. These marshmallow roasting sticks are crafted from high-quality stainless steel with ergonomic wooden handles, ensuring they're not only durable but also safe and comfortable to use. What's great about them is their telescoping design that extends up to 32 inches. Perfect for keeping you at a safe distance from the heat while still allowing for that perfect roast. Let's talk about why these are a must-have. Firstly, the stainless steel construction makes them food-grade, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. They feature a unique expansion structure, extending 3 times their original length of 12 inches, which is ideal for families and outdoor gatherings. Plus, they rotate 360 degrees, ensuring an even roast every time. Whether you're roasting marshmallows, hot dogs, or even vegetables, these sticks handle it all with ease. The non-sharp, blunt tips make them safe for children, eliminating any worries about accidents. And cleanup? A breeze! Just soak the fork tips in warm water for a few minutes, then wipe clean. What sets these apart is not just their functionality, but also their thoughtful design. The multicolored wooden handles not only look great but also help each family member identify their stick. A small detail that adds to the enjoyment of outdoor cooking. Overall, the marshmallow roasting sticks by peaceleaf are a game-changer for anyone who loves outdoor cooking and campfire nights. They combine safety, durability, and ease of use into one fantastic product. Whether you're camping, hosting a backyard bonfire, or just enjoying a quiet evening by the fire pit, these sticks are your perfect companion. If you're interested in elevating your outdoor cooking experience, check the link in the description below to grab your own set of marshmallow roasting sticks. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this.